Dear students, today's topic is women's position in France. During the French Revolution, the women and poor males were excluded from their rights. They were considered as the passive citizens because they had no rights to vote. So we see that the poor males who were unable to pay taxes to the government and the women of all categories were excluded from right to vote. So they had been considered as the passive citizens of France. But during the reign of the Jacobin Club, the important decision was made, and the most important decision was the poor males got right to vote. Poor males got right to vote first in the French history. The Jacobin Club took another important measure and tried to update the position of women. Because women of all categories, even the queen was excluded from right to vote, and scholars. So during the reign of the Jacobin Club, women's position was upgraded. The government took important decision that now no one would compel the girl to marry. Now marriage of girl was dependent on the choice of the girls. The women education was made compulsory. Now parents were allowed to provide proper education to their daughters. Next, the women got right to divorce if the contract was broken. Actually, marriage is a social contract, and that is considered by the constitution and the society. So if the contract was broken, then the women had also right to divorce their husband. Now women got another important right, that they could study more and more if they desire. Earlier only the rich people provided teaching education to their daughters. The rich families' girls had been studying in the convent, and the common people did not provide the girls proper education. Because women are half of our population, women are part and parcel of our life, social, political and economic life. Our life can't be imagined without the existence of women. So it was very important to provide proper education right to the women. So women were considered high position in the society when they were provided proper education, when they got right to marry on the proper time, when they were considered as equal as the sons in the field of education, when they got right to divorce if their husband did not consider the earlier contract, then women had also right to divorce their husband. Thus, the feminist movement was made successful during this short period. But we must know that when Napoleon Bonaparte came in power in 1884, Napoleon went back on the old footprint and again seized the power right to vote given to the poor males, and women also came in the earlier position to appease the aristocrat and conservatives. So we see that women's position was uplifted during the French Revolution, and a great demand asked for their development due to feminist movement was seen a successful step during that very period. Now, what is the one? Now see Reign of Terror. Reign of Terror was not too long but very effective in French history. When Jacobin Club came in power after the French Revolution, its leader was Maximilien Robespierre, who wanted to compel the people to consider his decision. So we see that he did not permit anyone to get freedom in their view and opinion. Jacobin Club government did not forgive and any political opposition. Even the club members were not allowed to put their opinion independently. So we see that all oppositions, most of the oppositions who stood in against Robespierre's opinion or decision were put into the jail or guillotined also. Even the club members were not forgiven. So we see that Reign of Terror was very harsh, and due to his strong and harsh decision, at last the tribunal of judges decided to consider him responsible for national treason, and so that in July 1794 Robespierre was also guillotined, and thus the Reign of Terror was between 1793 to 1794. So we see that in July 1794, due to his harsh decision, a tribunal of judges considered him responsible for the national treason, so that he was executed in July 1794. Thus, the Reign of Terror was finished. Thus, the Reign of Terror was finished. अब बताइए कितना